Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you the box that I've received this morning. This is from Craft Gin Club, and it's basically a box that has amazing gins from all around the world. We also have snacks and mixes inside, and it's a different gin every month, which I really love. So I'm going to talk you through what's in this month's box. Okay, so it's time to unbox this month's gin, and we've got, oh wow, look at this bottle. This is what I love about gins, is that they always come in this most incredible bottles. This is Tasmanian gin, 40 spotted classic Tassie gin. And then with this, we can have it with some Tasmanian pepperberry and lemon tonic water. And we've also got some lovely snacks here. We've got some lentil chips, creamy dill lentil chips, so that will go really nicely. These are things that I would never try, so this is so exciting. So as well as having all of these incredible products, you also get a copy of Gin magazine, which talks about where your gin is from and all the details about the gin and all the different products, and also a selection of cocktail recipes of how to make your cocktail. So this month I've got the recipe to make the perfect G&T, which includes the Tasmanian classic gin, the pepperberry lemon tonic water, and some dried pineapple to garnish. Look at this, you even get your own garnish. So you can place a subscription monthly, bi-monthly or quarterly, and what I love about it is that I just get to try a new gin every month, and all I've got to do is just add some ice. Can't forget the garnish. And this month it's a little bit of pineapple. Cheers.